Hello fellow traders, welcome to your favorite channel, Top Master Trader, where your journey to market mastery begins. Free knowledge is the most expensive thing you will ever pay for. Paradox? I don't think so. Most people think that just because something is free, it's good. Especially in trading, where you have an endless supply of free YouTube videos, blog posts, and forum discussions. And don't get me wrong, there is valuable knowledge out there. But here is the truth. Guys, just a quick announcement of $5,000 account giveaway sponsored by Find Your FX, award-winning prop firm on the market since 2021, offering instant funding, one-phase evaluation, two-phase evaluation. All you need to do to take part in a draw to be a subscriber, like the video and place a comment under this video, and I will choose randomly one comment, so you don't need to lick my butt in a comment section. And what can you comment? You can comment how much money have you blown so far trading, or any other comment. I'm not picky, I'm just joking, of course. And guys, make really sure that you are a subscriber to this channel, because I will be organizing these giveaways all the time from now on. Really, there will be a lot of giveaways, so press this little bell to be notified. If you are notified, you will know in the next video that whether you won or you didn't this time. And you will see if there is another announcement, if you can place another comment and win another account. So that's very important. And now back to the main video. Free knowledge is dangerous. Why? Because it has no filter. You are consuming raw, unstructured ideas with no system, no risk management, and no context. It's like being handed a scalpel and told, go perform surgery. The tool might be good, but without proper training, you are going to do some serious damage. Not just to your account, but to your mind. Let me explain to you the hidden cost of free trading knowledge. When you take a free strategy and apply it without understanding market dynamics, without risk management, and without a structured plan, here is what happens. You might get lucky at first, you might even make money, but then the market will hit you hard. You will take a big loss, one that shakes you to the core. And when that happens, something even worse happens. You become psychologically scarred. See, the biggest danger isn't losing money. It's the damage done to your mind. Once you've been burned, fear takes over, and fear kills traders. It makes you hesitate, second guess, and overreact. Even if I give you the perfect strategy later on, even if I teach you exactly how to trade profitably, you won't be able to execute it properly. Why? Because now you are trading from a place of fear, and a fearful trader is a losing trader. Let me tell you how to protect yourself from falling into this trap. So, what's the solution? You need structured education. You need a proper system. You need risk management. And most importantly, you need mentorship from someone who has been where you are now and knows how to get you to the other side. Because in trading, the most expensive thing isn't a paid course, it's learning the hard way. And trust me, the market will charge you tuition. So before you go implementing random strategies you find online, ask yourself, am I prepared to pay the real price of free knowledge? Let me tell you a story. I remember the first time I took a trade based on free strategy I found online. I placed the trades, watched the charts, and guess what? I made money. That was the worst thing that could have happened because I thought it's easy. I don't need a mentor or paid course. I can figure these things on my own. So I kept trading, and then the market hit me hard. I blew my accounts, and worse than the money I lost was what happened next. I became scared. I started hesitating. I couldn't pull the trigger on trades. Even when I saw the perfect setup, I second guessed myself because the market had hurt me so badly. I was now trading from a place of fear. And let me tell you something, a fearful trader is a losing trader. Even if I gave you the best strategy in the world, you wouldn't be able to execute it properly if you are still carrying the scars from past mistakes. So, what changed for me? I realized that if I wanted to succeed, I needed to stop looking for shortcuts. I needed proper mentorship, structured education, and risk management. I made a decision to invest in myself. And when I say invest, I don't just mean time, I mean money. I paid 3,500 British pounds for a Forex course. You know what happened? I took it seriously. I studied every lesson. I applied what I learned with discipline because I had skin in the game. Now, here is the crazy part. I gave that the same course to a few friends of mine for free. And you know what? You know what they did? Nothing. They didn't take it seriously. They didn't apply it. And why? Because when something is free, people don't value it. Think about it. How many teenagers go to university, but because their parents are paying for it, they treat it like a 4-year party? They don't value what they haven't personally invested in. The same happens in trading. If you don't put real investment, whether that's money, time, or effort in learning properly, you won't take it seriously. And that means you will keep making the same mistakes. So before you start applying random strategies from YouTube, ask yourself, am I prepared to pay the real price of free knowledge? Because trust me, the market will charge you tuition. The only question is whether you are paying with small, smart investment in education or paying the hard way by blowing your account. If this message resonates with you and you are serious about becoming a successful trader, I've put together a course that meets all the key criteria I talked about in this video. But listen, I'm not here to sell you anything. My goal is to help you avoid the mistakes that cost me time, money, and confidence. If you choose to take another course, that's totally fine. Just make sure it meets the criteria that I mentioned before today: structured education, proper risk management, and a real strategy that gives you long-term success. The choice is yours, but remember, free is the most expensive. Invest in yourself the right way. Check the link in the description and I will see you inside. All the best. The markets never stop and neither should you, so watch one of these videos next.